So today I'll be showing you how to create a cloud phone. Now this is like owning a real phone in the cloud. Now with this phone, you can do a lot of things that your normal mobile device may not be able to do, like managing several social media accounts, up to 50 social media accounts. Of course, if you're working from home, you can use this phone to access several platforms that you would love to work with. If you are into surveys, if you are into doing tasks, if you're a tasker, this is for you. Also, if you're into e-commerce, this is also for you because you can manage a lot of your stores around the world on the cloud phone. Now, for me, I see this as owning a phone in the cloud or owning a phone in a country that I would love to be in. So, for example, you can be in Nigeria, but you own a phone in the US, and that phone can help you access stores, websites, businesses that you own in the US. Now, this is actually very, very good. And in this video, I'll show you how to create one, manage them, and what you can actually use it for. So let's get straight into the video. So to start creating your cloud phone, all you have to do first is to visit the Multilogin website. And then you can scroll down and learn a lot about what Multilogin is used for. Like I mentioned, this is a social media management tool. And of course, if you work from home or you're an airdrop hunter or you're into blogging or definitely you are an e-commerce person, you can use this tool to manage several of your e-commerce platform and also build a phone in the cloud. All right, a real virtual phone in the cloud. I'm going to show you how to build it from start to finish. So the very first step, or one of the optional steps you can take to start creating your account, is to click on this area where you find try for $2. So this is like a trial area, and then if you like the plan for 3 days, you can upgrade to a much more higher plan. So this is actually the very first step you can take. So you can start with the $2 plan and you click on start trial, and then you can put in your account information like your email. Please use the email that you can easily access. You can choose the account type, either personal account or business account. Then you can select the country that you are going to be working from or operating from, or you love to operate from. Then the order summary, you can see that it is 2 days for $2 for 3 days, and then you can select the payment method, put in your promo code or your referral code. Then my referral code is going to be in the description. You can always use it for good discount. When you click on pay now, you're going to get a link to your email where you have to use to set your password. All right, now alternatively, you can download the multi-login app on your laptop. Okay, this is how it looks like, and you can fully install it, create an account, select a plan, and pay for it. So let's get straight to creating the cloud phone. Now here you can see my cloud phone is already running. One of them I've created already is running, and I can set it up. You can see it's over here. This is a real phone in the cloud, and I'm going to show you how it works. Then I'll show you how to create a new cloud phone. You can see it has the browser and everything in it, and you can see I downloaded Reddit here already. You can access everything that a normal Android phone should have. You can see this is the App Store where I can download and install several apps that I want already. Okay, also you can see this is a place for screenshotting. This is a place if you want to rotate your phone. Okay, and this is also a place where you want to upload anything, export. This is your camera, so this is your network, and this is the time. All right, so let's get straight to creating our new cloud phone for people who want to create the cloud phone for the very first time. All right, so I'm going to stop this one from running. You can stop it from running over here, and to create a new one, I'm going to click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, the first thing is to set your profile name. So I'm going to create another Reddit account. So I can choose, I already have Reddit account, the one I'm using on the first cloud phone. So I'm just going to put Reddit 2. So the next one, you can see the number of profiles you want to create. So I want to create just one for now. Okay, a new one. Meanwhile, anything you set up here, you're going to be seeing it on the right hand side of your screen. Okay, so the use case, you can select just any use case you want to use. Okay, anything you want to do. So because I want to use this for Reddit, I'm going to come here to type Reddit.
Okay, then I'm going to select Reddit. Tags. Okay, I already have a Reddit account one, so I'm going to put Reddit 2. So tags is just whatever you like. You can put Reddit 2. This is to differentiate the Reddit account that you have. I'm going to change the color to this color and lock it in. All right. Put in a short note. So for this short note, you can just type in what you can use to remember this particular account. This is my second Reddit account. Now you can also create multiple Instagram accounts, multiple TikTok accounts, but I'm just creating multiple Reddit accounts. Okay, this is for people who want to manage several social media accounts, all right, or several work from home job accounts. Okay, it's more like a management software, and this is what you can do. So you can have up to 50 social media accounts on your device, which I'm going to show you how to do later. And I also talk about some of the use cases for the multi-login. So the folder, I just want to leave it on default folder. All right. Then the proxy setting, please, if you're starting out, if you have a proxy, you can click on custom, so you can put in your proxy password and the details to login. The templates, if you have your proxy already, you can use any template. But if you don't have any proxy, you can choose the multi-login inbuilt proxy. So while you are paying for the plan, multi-login is going to give you a proxy that they already have for you. Okay, connection type, you can choose mobile or ISP. ISP is simply if you already have a service provider. Okay, but I'm going to choose mobile, and this is cool for me, so I'm going to choose mobile because I'm using it on my mobile phone. Okay, you can also buy static IP if you want. Then the location, you can choose the location you want to use. So for example, I want to use the United States, so I'm going to choose the United States on this area. They're going to ask you for the region, anywhere in the US. I'm going to just choose anywhere at all. Arizona, choose any city in Arizona. ISP, none. Okay, you can choose none. It is optional. Then protocol, you can see the option over here. I'm going to choose T-Mobile USA. Okay, you can choose none, but I prefer choosing T-Mobile USA because that's the network that works in that area. Then protocol, I can choose SOC S5. Okay, you can also choose this one if you have the related informations, but I prefer using the particular one. Then check your proxy. Now the device information, what kind of phone do you want to create? I want to create an Android device, so I'm going to choose the version of Android I want to create. So Android 16. The device brand, they're going to ask you what kind of phone do you want to create. So I'm going to create a Samsung device. Device model, I just want to create a Galaxy Z Flip 7. So you can choose the particular brand of phone you want to have. Then the network, if you have a SIM card already, you can choose cellular. All right. But because I'm going to be using a Wi-Fi, I choose Wi-Fi. So if you choose cellular, they're going to ask you to um, proceed to the next step. But then if you can choose Wi-Fi, if you always want to use Wi-Fi to operate your device, then the phone number, your phone needs a phone number. All right. So if you have a phone number already that you want to use, you click on custom and you put in your phone number over here. But if you don't have any phone number you want to use, you click on auto generated. So multi-login will automatically generate a phone number for you. All right, like I mentioned, whatever was set, you see it on the right hand side. Okay, then I'm going to click on location IP based. Okay, leave it at IP based for myself. Then I'm going to click on create. Then when I click on create, the CloudPhone has been created. You can see I have Reddit 2 already created. So I can decide to open up the CloudPhone by clicking on this area. So when I click on this area, this is going to start out the CloudPhone account. All right, so this is the first one I created. This is the second one right now. So once you start it out, you just have to give it some time to load up completely. So while it's loading up, you can see you can create up to 50 different cloud phones, 50 different accounts. All right, but then your minutes are reading, so these are the minutes that you're going to pay for. Once the minutes are over, then you have to pay for more minutes to use the cloud phone. So this is the cloud phone and it is now live. Okay, it's now live. You can install whatever you want to install. Let's say you want to install your Reddit again for Reddit campaign. You can say already installed Reddit. So you can install other apps. You can open your Reddit. You can see if I want to open my Reddit, I can open my Reddit account. If you have an already existing Reddit account, you can click on I already have an account. If you have if you want to create a new Reddit account, you can click on get started. It operates very normal like your normal phone. Look at this is where you can access different things and download any particular app that you like. Okay, also you want to download other apps like maybe Twitter or X, you can check it out. And of course you can see you can install Twitter, you can install just any social media app you want, Instagram, anything. So if you want to manage multiple social media accounts, this is how you do it. Okay, and certainly it's going to work like your normal phone. This is your Chrome browser, okay, which is going to be on the device. And you can see this is a new phone, make Chrome your own. So you can even add your account to this device. You can use without an account. Okay, so you can click on use without an account, and you can click on no thanks, and use it just like you're using your normal browser. Okay, so I'm going to go down and accept, click on got it, and now your whole stuff is ready. So basically you can even click on this blog and you can read a lot and manage whatever social media account that you want. So you can see I'm using this phone like the normal phone that I can use for myself. I'm going to accept it. So guys, this is exactly how it works. If you have any questions regarding this phone, you can let me know. You can see I'm making use of this phone like a normal Android device that anyone can use. So let's talk about some of the use cases and how this can be beneficial to you. Okay, so Multilogin is a massive platform for social media management. Not just social media management, let's talk about what it can be used for in real life. You can see there are hundreds of several marketplaces you can create, which means you can create multiple social media accounts or all of them, even Binance, Shopify, Snapchat, IG, which is Instagram, LinkedIn. So for people who want to have spare phones online or you work from home, this is a good place for you to check. Okay, so I'm going to click on solutions. These are some of the things you can use your multi-login for in real life. For social media marketing, running ads and growing several or multiple social media accounts at a go. You can use it for social media marketing. Okay, also if you just want to manage multiple accounts for clients, you can use it to manage multiple accounts, not just for Instagram, both for TikTok, both for Facebook, both for X, and of course any social media platform that you want. Then CloudPhone, you can use it as your CloudPhone for several work from home jobs, not just Reddit. Okay, you can also use it for TikTok. People who want to manage multiple TikTok for clients, you can use it. Apart from that, it's also good for bloggers. Okay, and you can use it as your remote phone, virtual phone, and of course multi-account browser and all of that. This is a massive step, for online users. Okay, apart from that, there are other things I've not talked about, like people who are into blogging. You can use it for traffic arbitrage. You can also use it for social media marketing, like we've mentioned. For airdrop hunters, airdrop farming, you can use it. For gamers, you can also download games, okay, or you can test games using the multi-login, especially accessing platforms that you can normally would not access, okay, from your immediate location, or difficult from your immediate location. You can see the e-commerce and dropshipping is one of the biggest ways you can use it also, and this is also going to be good for bloggers. So that's why I mentioned you can actually come down to this area and read a lot about the multi-login, understand how it works and what people are saying about it. So guys, you can go down in the description and you find my link. You can use my link to register an account, and definitely you can let me know how it works from your end. So let's talk about the amazing pricing plans for the multi-login software. So you have to click on the pricing area on your screen here, and then you're going to be directed to the prices where you can choose whatever plans that you want to use. You can see you have the option of paying yearly. You can also pay monthly. Now, if you're going to pay yearly, you're paying at a very good discount on your screen. Okay, you can see this is actually very cool for you if you're going to pay yearly. Also, you can choose between the three plans available here. This is actually the starter plan, which is actually the free plan, and then there's a pro plan, and then there's a business plan. You can choose whatever one that you want. All right. Now, whatever one you choose, you can get it at a discount if you use my coupon code that's going to be on your screen. Now, for example, you want to choose the business plan, which obviously has much more features than the pro plan and the free plan. You click on choose plan over here, okay, and then you find how to go about it. Like I mentioned, you put in your email, choose your account type, choose your country, choose your payment method. Now, this is where you're going to put in my coupon code, which is the big classroom 50, and then you can simply come down here to click on pay now, and then you'll be granted access to the features of this software. I'm going to be leaving you guys here. Do have a very wonderful day, guys, and I will see you on the next one.